guys, it's me Chico here, and today is a special day because we are going to the Taj Mahal with my friend from right here in India. Go ahead and introduce yourself, girl.
Hey guys, I'm Mehra and I live right here in the city of Agra in India.
I had an idea for my video today. Mira will give us a tour of the beautiful Taj Mahal and what's fun in Agra. Follow along with us and plan your next trip here. Okay, ready girl? It's all you.
Okay Michiko, here I go. You'll have the time of your life exploring the Taj Mahal. It's like a real princess castle only in India, and seriously, there's no way I would skip going to one of the prettiest buildings in the whole wide world. Pictures on the internet don't do it justice. You gotta see and feel the magic yourself. The Taj Mahal was built by a king who was really in love with his queen. Now tell me, isn't that the sweetest love story ever?
Oh wow, that is so romantic.
So, get ready for long lines because, well, everyone wants to see this romantic beauty for real. Did you know? It took more than 20,000 people 8 years to build just the tomb, and the rest of the monument took 14 more years. Now imagine that. And when the king passed away, he was buried next to his queen.
Oh, these love stories always make me feel like I have butterflies inside.
True love never ends, does it? Keep in mind though, trips to see the Taj Mahal need some serious planning. Visit between February to April or September to November, that way you won't have to put up with extreme weather or holiday rush. If you're lucky, you might even get to see it under the moonlight. Can you imagine how lovely that would look?
Oh yes, wow, that would be like a dream. Can we, Mira? Can we?
Remember though, pollution isn't so good in that part of India, and that's actually discoloring the Taj Mahal. So cars can't go near it. But don't worry, there's parking around or you can just walk the short distance. And keep your things safe because they'll be checking them. Once inside, you can explore the garden that's supposed to be like heaven and then head up to the actual tomb. Over there, you'll see all the prettiest details like gemstone scrollwork and calligraphy. No wonder it's on everybody's bucket list. Before you leave, make sure to grab a bite at Yash Cafe or Shankara Veggies. Mom always says never to explore on an empty stomach. In the end, if you want to see the Taj Mahal, you absolutely should. Because oh my gosh, it's such an amazing place that you'll remember forever. I promise it's gonna be a dream come true. Okay, all done Michiko, was that good? Gosh, I was so nervous.
You're amazing, Mira. A real natural. Sorry I kept interrupting. I'm just so excited. Come on, let's get some photos on